Assalamu alaikum students. I am again with you Amreen Khalid and hope आप लोग बिल्कुल ठीक ठाक होंगे. So here we are going to start our next lesson, and next lesson is from the book Maxim of English Grammar and Composition. As you all know, we have started the unit number 1 alphabet, and we have done vowel and consonant, we have done giraffe and monkey and tortoise letters, and we did some vocabulary practice. But now today we again do unit number 1 alphabets, but this time we will do alphabetical orders. Okay, so our topic is alphabetical order. Okay, what is alphabetical order? Alphabetical order or ABC order, we can call it ABC order. Okay, we can call it ABC order, means putting words in the order of the alphabet. मतलब कि वर्ड्स को उनके ऑर्डर में रखना. ठीक है, वर्ड को ऑर्डर में रखना अकॉर्डिंग ऑर्डर ऑफ द अल्फ़ाबेट्स. यानी कि लाइक यू नो द अल्फ़ाबेट ए बी सी डी ई एफ जी एच. लाइक अगर मेरे पास 3 to 4 words in different alphabets say like apple, I have balloon, and I have gun. So what I have to do, first I will write apple, then I will write balloon, then I will write gun. Okay, so इस ऑर्डर में हमें अल्फ़ाबेट्स के ऑर्डर में हमें वर्ड्स को पुट करना होता है. सो अल्फ़ाबेटिकल ऑर्डर और एबीसी ऑर्डर मीन्स पुटिंग वर्ड्स इन द ऑर्डर ऑफ द अल्फ़ाबेट. यानी कि इस तरतीब से रखना होता है, बिल्कुल अल्फ़ाबेट की तरतीब से वर्ड्स को रखना मीन्स वो कहलाता है अल्फ़ाबेटिकल ऑर्डर. Okay, so knowing ABC order can help you look up words in the dictionary or find a phone number in the phone book. Means कि ABC order को आपको किस चीज़ में मदद देता है, अगर हमें पता हो, if we know the ABC order, so it can help us to look up the words in the dictionary. We can find the words in the dictionary. If we want to find the meaning of any words, we can find it in the dictionary easily, because dictionary create ही ABC order पर होती है. Okay, so if you want to find any word in the dictionary, you can find it. Or if you find a phone number in the phone book, so you can easily find it if you know the ABC order. Like we can put words we can put words in a special order called alphabetical order. Okay, so हम words को एक special order means alphabetical order में रख सकते हैं. The first letter of the word is used to tell where the word would appear in ABC order. First letter, first letter of the word वो हमें बताता है कि कहाँ पर हमें इस वर्ड को रखना है ABC ऑर्डर में. ओके, so look at these words box. Here we have car and here we have apple. Okay, so the first letter, here is the first letter. So the first letter will tell us कि where we have to put the word, या which word come first, कि कौन सा word first आएगा. So the word apple would come first in ABC order because A comes before C और B in the alphabets. So अगर हम ABC को देखें तो A पहले आता है, then B, then C. So यहाँ पर B तो नहीं है, B से तो कोई word नहीं है. So we have apple and car. So A is the A is, comes first in alphabets. So we will put apple first. Got it? Hope you all got my point. So the next is, now you have to take out a paper. Okay, hurry up, go and take out a paper and put these words in ABC order. Here we have pizza, clock and book. As you know, B come first in the alphabets, so we will write book first. Then after B what comes? C, so clock. Then D, but here is no word which start with D. So E, F, G, no, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P. Yes, we have P. So pizza will come next. So book, clock and pizza. Here we can see which letter come first. I hope आप लोग मुझे आंसर कर रहे होंगे और मेरे साथ साथ वर्क डन कर रहे होंगे. Like blouse, house and mouse we have. So blouse will come first, then house and then mouse, because B come first in alphabets, then her, H come, then mouse. Okay. Here we have fish, man, and child. So I hope you all can do it right now. Right now, so child, C come first, then fish because F come after the C, and then man. All right. I think it is clear to you all. Now again, let's repeat what is alphabetical order. Words start with A are grouped together. Okay. Now you know कि जो first letter जिसका first आ रहा है ठीक है वो A है. अब आपने क्या करना है, वॉट यू हैव टू डू कि जो वर्ड्स आपके अगर इफ़ यू हैव अ लॉट ऑफ वर्ड्स ओके एंड यू हैव टू पुट दैम इन ऑर्डर्स सो वॉट यू विल डू कि देन फर्स्ट द वर्ड्स विच स्टार्ट्स विद ए उनको आप एक ग्रुप कर लेंगे ओके द वर्ड्स विच स्टार्ट विद ए आर ग्रुप टुगेदर एंड वर्ड स्टार्ट विद बी आर ग्रुप टुगेदर ओके and so on. Like word start with C with group together. So first letter say look at the first letter and we will group them. If word start with the same letter, look at the second letter. What happens sometimes we have a lot of words or we have a words list and we have many words in it and we can see sing, slide and these words first स्टार्ट विद एस ठीक है इनका फर्स्ट लेटर स्टार्ट हो रहा है एस से ओके द फर्स्ट लेटर इज स्टार्टिंग फ्रॉम एस so what you have to do if the first letter start with the same letter we will look at the second letter so here we will look at the second letter this is the second letter I and this is the second letter L so we know कि in alphabet second letter I will come first okay and L will come next so we will write sing first and then slide. Okay. If the two letters are the same, look at the third letter and so on. Like this, if we have the words which have two letters same, like CH same hai, CH same. So what we have to do here, we will look at the third letter, but we have third letter also same. So what we will do, we will look fourth letter. Here we have I and here we have N. So we know I come first. Okay, so we will write chair first and then change. Clear? So now I think अब सबको समझ आ गया होगा कि what is alphabetical order. So now move to your books and now you have to open your books and the book is Maxim of English Grammar and Composition. Okay, so take it out. We have done page number 7 we have done, page number 8 we have done. Okay, now we are and we have done page number 9. So now we are on page number 10. Okay, so open page number 10 and here we have alphabetical order. Now all of you know what is alphabetical order. So the letters of the English alphabet are written in order. ठीक है ऑर्डर में लिखे होते हैं अल्फ़ाबेट्स इंग्लिश लेटर ऑफ तमाम लेटर्स इंग्लिश अल्फ़ाबेट के रिटर्न होते हैं ऑर्डर में तरतीब से लिखे होते हैं ठीक है इट इज़ कॉल्ड ABC order or alphabetical order. Okay, the letter of the English alphabet starts with A and with Z. You know all. So words in a dictionary are arranged in alphabetical order. Same like words होते हैं डिक्शनरी में वो अरेंज होते हैं अल्फ़ाबेटिकल ऑर्डर में लाइक A to Z. तो अगर आप ओपन करेंगे डिक्शनरी को तो यू कैन सी कि वर्ड्स जो होते हैं डिक्शनरी में वो A to Z जो है वो एक अरेंज होते हैं ठीक है इट हेल्प्स रीडर्स टू फाइंड वर्ड इजीली सो रीडर मीन्स कि इफ़ यू आर रीडिंग अ स्टोरी और we are facing any difficulty or we find the words in the dictionary so we can find the word in the dictionary easily because it is arranged in alphabetical order तो alphabetical order में होती है otherwise तो वो इतना सारा वर्ड होता है कि we can't हम उसको नहीं find out कर पाएंगे अगर वो alphabetical order में नहीं हो but using alphabetical order we can find them easily okay so here are some examples कि how to arrange words in alphabetical order. If all the words start with different letters, arrange the words according to the order of the first letter. अगर बहुत सारे words हैं तमाम words हैं और वो start हो रहे हैं different letters से so you can arrange them with according to the order of the first letter like first letter B come first then D, then F, then G, then M, then P, then R, and then S. So bag come first, then duck, then fan, then goat, then man, pot, rose, and sun. Okay, but if the first letter of each word is same, अगर first letter same है सबका, ठीक है, arrange the words according to the order of the second letters. So you have to arrange the words according to the second letters. Like here we have A, E, R, U, I, L, O, R. So we can arrange them क्योंकि because देखें यहाँ पर B, 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 B सबका सेम है, तो हमने अब इनको किस लिए कैसे अरेंज किया है कि पहले हमने इनका सेकंड लेटर देखा, सो हमने बैग को फर्स्ट अरेंज किया, ठीक है, बैट किया, देन ब्रूम, देन बुल. ओके, वी कैन नॉट अरेंज देम लाइक दिस कि बुल फर्स्ट आ गया एंड आर, बिकॉज यू तो लेट आता है ना, ठीक है, अल्फ़ाबेट्स में फर्स्ट ए आता है, देन ई आता है, देन आर आता है, लाइक दिस. हेयर आई एल ओ आर, सो गिव, ग्लैड, गॉड, ग्रो. Okay, then if the first two letters of each word are same, maybe the first two letters be same are, then what we have to do? So what we will do, we will arrange the words according to the order of the third letter. Then we will see third letter like dad, dam, dart, date, drive, drove, drunk, drive. So you can see कि D फर्स्ट आता है अल्फ़ाबेट्स में, ठीक है, देन M आता है, देन R, देन T. तो इस तरीके से हमने उनको थर्ड लेटर के अकॉर्डिंग अरेंज किया, बिकॉज जो स्टार्टिंग के टू वर्ड्स थे वो सेम थे, ठीक है, क्लियर. लाइक दिस, इफ द फर्स्ट थ्री लेटर्स ऑफ ईच वर्ड आर सेम, अगर ये तीनों लेटर भी सेम हो, देन व्हाट वी हैव टू डू, देन वी विल अरेंज द वर्ड्स अकॉर्डिंग टू द ऑर्डर ऑफ द फोर्थ लेटर. तो हम इनका फोर्थ लेटर देखते हैं एंड सो ऑन, ठीक है, लाइक फ्लैग, फ्लेम, फ्लैट, फ्लैश, जिराफ, गिर्ड, गर्ल एंड गर्ट. ओके, now here we have if the first four letters of each words are same, the first four letters be same, and then what we have to do, then we will arrange the words according to the order of the fifth letters. फिर हम उसको fifth letters को देखते हैं. Here, we have breach, bread, break, bream, divide, divine and divisible. ठीक है, so now I think you have understood. Now move on to page number 11. Here we have some exercises. Then arrange the following words alphabetically according to the first letter. You have to arrange the words according to the first letter. ठीक है, you have to just find out the first letter. Like here A. इसमें देखिए कहीं पे सबसे फर्स्ट वर्ड कौन सा है जो फर्स्ट पे आता है, लाइक ख. ओके, we have kha and we have b here. Okay, brinjal. So brinjal will come first, then cabbage, then cucumber, then radish, no, then pumpkin, and then radish. So first is brinjal, cabbage, cucumber, pumpkin, and radish. And here we can see eyes, hair, nose, tongue, mouth, and head. So you can find out the first letter is E, H, N, T, M, H. So you have to arrange them like eyes. E first आएगा, ठीक है. Then here we have her. Okay, okay. H हमारे पास दो हैं. Okay, H we have two times. So we can see the second letter. Here we have A and here we have E. So this one will come first. So here, okay, and then head आएगा. Okay, third one पर. Then we have to see. Okay, M and three में से which one come first? M. So we will write mouth here. Then nose and then tongue. Okay. Now according to the second letter, here we have the list, or you have to arrange according to the second letter, because first letter are same. You can see brave, bad, burn, boom, black, and bad. So first letter are same. So we will arrange them according to the second letter. R, no, A come first, so bad will come first. Then we can see E, bad, so bad will come. Then we can see black, okay, because L come next, and then boom, then brave, and then bun. Okay, according to this you have to do this exercise. Then the third letter, according to the third letter you have to do this page, and then according to the fourth letter. Hope मुझे समझाने की ज़रूरत नहीं होगी, you have already understood. Now move on to the next page, last page of this unit. According to the fifth letter, you will have to do like first four letters are same. You can see scarf, scarecrow, scarlet, and scoff. So scarf, scarecrow, scarlet, and scoff. So you can see four letters are same. So according to the fifth letter, you have to arrange like F, and here we have fifth letter E, then here we have fifth letter L, and in here we have fifth letter F. So scarf will come, no, E. Okay, so scarecrow, sorry, will come first, then scarf will come, then scarf will come, and then scarlet will come. Okay, like this you have to solve this exercise. Now here are one more exercise, and it is grammar practice. Arrange the following words in each box in alphabetical order. Here are some parts of speech. I will explain these parts of speech later to you, but you can arrange the words. Okay, so teacher, doctor, engineer, and nurse. You can arrange these words: teacher, doctor, engineer, and nurse. So what will come first? Mm, engineer will come first. Then no, doctor will come first. Okay, so doctor will come first, then engineer will come first, then nurse will come, and then teacher will come. Okay, now here we can see well, slowly, fast, quickly, and early. So what will come first? Early, fast, then quickly, then slowly, and then well. So I think by this you can arrange all the words, and this is your unit number 12 and unit number 1, and it has been ended. And now where we are on homework assignment. So your homework assignment is do page number 10 until 12 in your book. 10, 11, 12 you have to do in your book, or you have to explain you all the pages. Now make copy word, make title page of alphabetical order, and do the given worksheets in your copy. I'm giving you two worksheets. Okay, so in copy first you have to make alphabetical order title page, and then you have to do two worksheets. Here is the number one worksheet. Okay, here you have to put words into alphabetical order. Here are the words, and you have to put say this make worksheet, copy worksheet in your copy. Okay, you can take out print, or you can copy this worksheet in your copy. Okay, same worksheet आपने बनानी है copy में, and you have to do this. And here is the second one, and you have to answer the following question, and then you have to put the words in the put the following words in the alphabetical order. So hope you all can do it and will enjoy the work. Thank you so much, all of you, and